forcing Navy to beat them with somebody else. Snyder to the far side. Hayward ducks inside, shoots and scores. Annalise Hayward draws Navy within 3 at the 6:07 mark at St. Joseph's 11 and Navy 8. Ball is loose, Roloffs has it. Hallie Beck had the initial knockaway for St. Joseph's. Here's a pass from behind the goal, shot, score! Mariah Snyder. Hiding, almost as if she ran out of the tunnel and nobody saw her from behind the goal. Training line, a foul called against St. Joseph's. Snyder back on. Crossfield, Irwin keeps it moving here for Hayward. Annalise sprints inside the arc, shoots and scores! Annalise Hayward with her 3rd of the day and 2nd in the last minute. Up top for Hayward. St. Joseph's has been using Lane to shut off Larkin all game. Hayward trying to do something about it. Bounce shot, score! Annalise Hayward for the 4th time today and 3rd time in the last couple of minutes from the near side. Larkin steps to the middle, feeds far side, duck under, shot, and a goal! Kayla Harris from Kelly Larkin. At 3:37, Navy has scored 5 straight to lead it 12-11.